More than 500 Chinese and foreign students from over 70 countries participated in social activities and field trips in China from July to September. They've recently shared their experiences.
在这个活动，我认识了很多留学生，也很多中国同学、中国朋友。
We have got to know about the deep inner aspects of the Chinese culture. We have learned about how the government of China at various levels, coming from the central to the base level, how they try to collaborate the balance between the environment and the humans.
近几年一直在听中国的朋友们讲不忘初心，这次实践活动让我对于他们的初心，对中国共产党的初心和践行有了更加深切的体会。
1936年，美国记者斯诺来到陕北苏区，将当地考察后所见、所闻、所感写成了《红星照耀中国》一书，向世界介绍中国共产党为民族解放而艰苦奋斗和牺牲的精神，展示了中国的光明和希望。对我来说，这次贵州之行真是百闻不如一见。我要多向斯诺学习，多到中国各地走走看看，把我亲身经历到的、了解到的真实、立体、全面的中国介绍给更多的人。
In the 3 full days, we went inside Wuhan, the hero city. We saw, we heard, we talked with the local people, learning about Wuhan history, Wuhan beauty, Wuhan fight against the epidemic, and Wuhan recovery since the isolations.
As the largest developing country on the world, China has never forgotten its African brothers. Guided by the building community of shared future in mankind, China has demonstrated its sense of responsibility as the major country. 无论你成为国中中非的青年时间。